Okay, so you have an opportunity as a designer to create and make something that influence so many people at random. Probably you may not influence in 17 lakhs people, but you might influence in 17,000 people, and think about what architecture can do and what we call it in DNA unchanged, because it also matters because where you're coming from and how the practice evolved from the socio-economic fabric, and that's most important part.
I invite on stage Abin Chaudhary from Abin Design Studios.
This is important, that when we have designed the pavilion, why you are making it, and it is only one agenda, that this pavilion has to be kind of an permanent, and how you take this permanence into the public realm. And when we have designed this, we make sure that we invited few people who can influence the government, who can bring it into the permanence, into the park or something where people can gather.